G'day, Matt here. Just getting the old bus ready for a trip over to Fraser Island, and it's dawned on me that I don't have any rated recovery points on the front of the old girl. So I've gone out and bought some. I've got these here. Working load limit 5,000 kilos each. We're going to bang them on, and hopefully it's as easy as that. And all I'm going to need is one of these and one of these. Let's give it a crack. So we've got the 2 rated points, and then we've got a box of bolts and bits. Now bolts, washers, flat washers, spring washers. We've got these little fellas which will go up inside the chassis. They got the wire on there so you can hold your little fingers on there and slide it in. And that's about it. No instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. Right, so they're the factory mounting holes right there. So when we line up those top holes, that one right there in the middle, I'm going to have to take that off and put some washers on it and pull it back on. That bolt there is for the bull bar. Oh yeah, so that one's a 19. Let's whizzy that off. Righto, got me trusty shifter. So don't have the 19mm spanner. If anyone would like to donate me some spanners, I love it. Dropping nut. Hopefully that's doesn't go on that one. A bit of WD. Feels like it's gonna go. Yeah, it's gonna go. It's a bit dirty. Oh shush. Okay, that's gonna go. Oh, it's not the right. It's not the right. Anyway. Easy peasy. Alright, we'll do the same with the other hole. Just to clean the thread. Righto, thread's cleaned, so we're gonna put the bracket on. My hands are too greasy to open the packet. Round bit to the front. Oh, should probably check. We should have checked if there was a left and right, but I don't think there is because it's pretty good. Duggers. And I'll double check that with the breaker bar when I'm done. Bolt, bull bar. Bull bar brackets. Close. Still get things through, but the brackets like impeding on the hole a little bit. That'll be alright. Sweet. Righto, so I've just pulled the factory tow hook off. It's actually quite substantial, but it's going to go in the bin. Probably not. I'll probably keep it. I keep everything. Righto, we're on, but this bit of the bull bar right here, I'm gonna have to cut probably through there because when I'm going to put my shackle on, see that? It's just enough to cause a drama. Quite get it in there cleanly, so I have to cut it. A bit of cardboard, absolutely jack all. Rightio, so I've just cut this little fella off from here. Just touched it up with a bit of Gow paint. Wait for it to dry and then we'll bang the mounts back on. There we go, job done. And yes, I am sitting on the floor on my driveway. There we go, she's all in. Heaps of room there. Beautiful. There we go. Took a little bit longer than I thought. I probably jinxed myself at the start there where I said it'll be easy peasy, but yeah, at the end of the day it was pretty straightforward. Just had to trim that bull bar bracket on each side and paint it up and all sweet, just so that shuckle bolt could go through the eyelet nice and easy and without obstructing on anything. Yeah, hope you like this how-to video. Leave us a comment below, hit that like button, and also subscribe if you haven't already, if you feel like it really helps the channel out. And remember, the weeks are long but the weekends are short, so chase the weekend. Catch up. And remember, pitch myself up there, 19 mil. And if you like, and remember to subscribe bell. Is it a bell? I don't know. All this for your viewing pleasure.